Today we will be unboxing the latest electric kick scooter from NIU, the KQi Air. It uses carbon fiber construction to significantly reduce the scooter's weight to create one of the lightest scooters on the market at just 11.9 kilograms, while still preserving the power, range and comfort of traditionally much heavier scooters. There are two models, the KQi Air X, whose frame is made from 100% carbon fiber, and the KQi Air, which we will be unboxing today, that is made from 70% carbon fiber and 30% magnesium. NIU is a well-established global player in the two-wheel electric vehicle market, designing and manufacturing electric mopeds, kick scooters, e-bikes, as well as their recently announced electric motorcycle and dirt bike. So it will be interesting to see how they brought all that expertise to create an ultralight carbon fiber kick scooter. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. And if you would like to see further content on the scooter, including the first time setup, full review, first impressions video and a lot more, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and you will be notified when I release new content on this exciting new scooter from NIU. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Okay, so let's see if there's okay, so just the top. Okay. I'll put the charger here. Okay. So there is something in the box. Let's try to take it out. Let's see. This is probably not how you are supposed to do it. Let's see. Okay, so don't want to come out. Okay, and here we have a clunky, the NFC cards and the screws. Okay, so let's put this aside. Okay, so this is how it looks in the box. Okay, so let's continue on. Take the plastic off. Okay, it clicks into place. Here we can see the carbon fiber stem, and take this off. Okay. Now let's try to take it out of the box. And there is nothing else in the box. So let's okay. Okay. And here it is. It's oh, it is surprisingly light. So this is the NIU KQi Air. Let's secure the stem. Push this up. It clicks into place. Okay, I will put in the stem screws and then we will take a closer look. Okay, so let's secure the handlebars with the included screws. First put them in a little bit and then tighten them at the end once they are all lined up. And we will have one spare screw left. Okay, so now we have the screws in and the handlebars secured. We should tidy this up. Okay, let's tidy it up. Okay, let's take off the remaining plastic covers. Then from the deck. And the deck is a nice combination of carbon fiber and grip tape along the sides. Very nice design. Okay, so let's take a closer look. On the KQi Air, you have carbon fiber handlebars, carbon fiber plate, carbon fiber stem. This top pad is from magnesium, and then this bottom pad is from magnesium, and the deck is carbon fiber as well. as well as this fender support, and then the back and front fenders are from plastic and everything else is carbon fiber except this mechanism, which is also metal. Okay, so going back up the top, we have the handlebars with the turning indicators, front disc brake, display with the instructions on how to set up the scooter, and then here we have the twist, throttle, and the control buttons, and then the other turn indicator. On the front we have the iconic halo light that NIU uses with the reflector underneath it, and it looks like they also cut down on the weight of this light because it's a bit slimmed down compared to the previous scooters. And then going down the stem, we have the locking mechanism, the front tire with the disc brake. Out of the box, the brake doesn't seem to be rubbing. I haven't adjusted it yet. We will take a closer look at that during our first ride. Then here we have the kickstand. Here is the charging port. The nice wide deck. Here is the locking mechanism for the stem, and then the backlight and the back tire with the motor. And over here we can see the wire from the display going down alongside here, then doing the deck down here. And here let's take a look at the display. Okay, let's take a look at the charger. So here's the charger. It's a 2 amp charger. Nicely designed. The connector looks to be the same as in previous KQi scooters. And here we have the European cable that goes with it. And for anyone wondering, this is the EU version of the NIU KQi Air. And when the scooter is folded, you can see the brake line and the protected wire cable running down the stem. Here we can take a closer look at the disc brake. I like that NIU has decided to nicely route the brake cable through the stem instead of on the outside as they did on the KQi 3 scooters. You can see I can lift it with just one finger. The KQi Air weighs just 11.9 kilograms and the KQi Air X is 200 grams lighter at 11.7 kilograms. It is quite amazing that you can lift the scooter so easily. So that was it for the unboxing of the NIU KQi Air. There will be a lot more videos coming on this scooter, so make sure you subscribe and get notified when I post new videos on my channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will be happy to answer everything I can. If there is anything you would like me to cover or test on the scooter, let me know. I would also like to thank NIU for sending over this review unit, which allows me to show you how the scooter works and share all the details about it. And for anyone interested, the scooter is still available for pre-order with a €350 or dollar discount on NIU's website, which should be expected this December. I will leave a link in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.